This is the track cleaner. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Quick run, taking the track cleaner around. So we'll come back this way and we'll see him on the way around. A ton of junk in the way. See him at the back there now. We've got a building over the back there that's collapsed, so I'm going to drag that corner unit out altogether, repair it. There's nothing behind it yet, so it looks a background void behind. I'm reluctant to do too much, but I will be shaving the corner units. I'm sure I can use them, camouflage them in some way to be used. And the track cleaner is the Hornby one that I got from Brian at I forget what his website's called now. I'll put a link in for it. It's just got two skids underneath with some very, very rough paper. Just cleans the surface of the rails as it's going along. Doing a lovely job. So that's my next stage, is to get this this thing off, this corner unit off, and sort that building out. Just do a bit to that and make it look a little bit better while I'm waiting, and I'll show you now the area for the new building. Very bright out here today. This is exactly where the new building will go. We've cleared all the ground here, come away from the shed. It's going to go from about there right over to this fence over there, down here. It's going to go 30 foot down that way. All this ground that I'm stood on is going to be underneath. That, I don't know what that is. It's something my youngest son's making. Lord alone knows what it is, but it's keeping him quiet, using some old planks of scrap wood to concoct something. He's special needs, so I don't know what he's doing. I'll just leave him to it. He's happy enough doing that. That's about it. This is where the new building will go. I'm hoping 12 foot by 30 foot, which would be ideal. That's a beer keg with some bird seed on there at the moment. That's just for the wild birds, and that's about it out here. Thanks for looking in. I do appreciate you, everyone. I'll speak to you all very soon on the next video. Bye bye for now, my friends, and do take care.